All the scientific studies conducted so far confirm that wealthy men are more attractive than those who has less money. So it's no wonder that many men wonders if she's only with me for my money. Or maybe not. In this movie I will show you 5 signs that indicate that yes, she is with you for money. Let's start with the fact that it's normal that a woman is more interested in you if you have more resources. This is a fairly strong indication that you are resourceful in life and says a lot about you. So women will be more willing to devote their time to you and to get to know you better. This does not necessarily mean that they want to milk you for money. Most of the time they will simply pay attention to you, and if you are attractive in other ways as well, there is a good chance that they will fall in love with you and create a happy relationship. This means that money doesn't guarantee anything. Even if you have attracted someone's attention in the beginning thanks to a thick wallet, in most cases even millions in your account and the most expensive golden Ferrari will not be able to make an uninterested woman stay long with you. The problem arises when the other person doesn't like you enough to fall in love with you, but at the same time she sees certain benefits in staying with you. Or you have been together for some time and afterwards she has lost interest, but now she doesn't want to leave you even though she doesn't love you anymore. Only because she doesn't want to lose the comfort of life. But how to know if you are in such a situation? 1. Her behavior indicates that she's not really interested in you. The tricky thing is that she often tells you that she loves you and repeats how wonderful you are, but her behavior tells you something else. She doesn't want to meet often or try to contact you as often as you do. 2. Affection ends with sex. She doesn't exhibit much relaxedness to go to bed with you, but when it comes to just hugging, looking in the eyes or holding your hand, the initiative rarely comes from her side. Sex is not a big problem because she feels that if she kept showing only unwillingness in this sphere for a long time, the relationship might not last long because you would see that something is wrong. But at the same time she doesn't attempt to be close to you because if she doesn't love you, she simply doesn't need it. 3. You see that she's looking for other men. She is open to meet new people, you feel that she has contact with someone else apart from you, and you feel that you can't trust her. This is another sign that indicates she's with you mainly for money. Because if there is no feelings towards you, she has an unsatisfied need to love someone, and therefore will be more eager to cheat on you. 4. She clearly rewards you with her behavior every time you spend money on her. Then she's almost automatically nicer and more loving. However, if you do not meet her request, she distances herself and shows you her disapproval. This is quite an obvious strategy of manipulation which you must be aware of. 5. She doesn't introduce you to her friends and family. If this is not the case and she likes showing you off, it does not mean that she's not with you mainly for money. However, if she avoids showing anyone that you are together, it means that she's not very much involved in the relationship and treats it rather temporarily. The more of these signs you see in your relationship, the more likely it is that your partner is actually with you mainly for money. Or at least that has been the case so far. However, it doesn't mean you can't change it and she can't really love you. I would be far from trying to criticize your woman. It is often enough to work harder on your attractiveness and the balance of feelings in your relationship in order to change the situation completely. On the other hand, it will not always be easy to fix it, and sometimes it will be much better to simply give up. The decision in this case will always belong to you. If you would like to receive more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to check out what are your chances for the relationship to survive, please go to robertmarshall.com and take a free test. And that's it for now. See you soon. Robert Marshall.
you.